how to embed a code in Squarespace. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can embed a code in Squarespace. What's the first thing to do? The first thing to do is to log into your Squarespace account, just like I have done here. And once you're logged in into your Squarespace account, by the top part of the screen, you'll see your edit button or this option. Click on it. Once you clicked on it, you will take it to the page where you can edit your work. So you select the section where you want the code to be and click on add block. Now you must note that before you come to this position, you must have copied a code already. All right, so yeah, all you need to do is to locate embed. Yeah, located under code and above code, just click on embed. Once that is done, yeah, in this box, tap on the embed block, and once you tap on it, a box will be displayed showing, asking you to paste the URL of the item you are embedding. All right, so embed, you select it if you want to embed it as a link or as a code snippet, depending on your choice. You can click on link, and once that is done, paste the link here. Once you're done pasting the link, scroll down, add the description, and once you've satisfied all of that, leave the page and then click on save. Then once you save it, the code will be embedded automatically. I'm sure this tutorial was helpful. Thanks for watching.